बिलां वयता पळय बिलां कोण सबमीट करता? बिलां कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर सबमीट करता वा तुमचे इंजिनियर MB दिता आनी बिल सबमीट करता?
सर CPWD मॅन्युअला प्रमाणे प्रत्येक बिल जें आसा तें एका म्हयन्यांत सबमीट करपाक जाय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान. येदा कदाचित कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान जर तें बिल सबमीट केलें ना जाल्यार इंजिनियर हॅज टू रायट टू द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर टू सबमीट द बिल. एट ऑल contractor failed to submit the bill in time, then engineer has to write to the contractor to come to the site and to prepare the bill.
सर तू म्हणटा सारकें एक म्हयन्या भितर थोडे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराची वर्क ऑर्डर घेवन कंप्लीट केल्ले एक वर्सा बिलाच करना. वॉट इज द रिजन ऑफ दॅट?
सर तशी जर कितें कंप्लेन आसा ताणें म्हजे कडेन कंप्लेन करची. आय वील मेक एन इन्क्वायरी बिकॉज दे कॅनॉट डू लायक दॅट. दॅट शूड बी समथींग आयदर विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी किंवा इतर गोष्टी असू शकता जे सबस्टँडर्ड काम असू शकता. अश्यो गोष्टी असल्यारूच ते जावं शकता. सपोज एक काम कंप्लीट जालां, इफ इट इज नॉट डन देन इट इज द मिस्टेक ऑफ द इंजिनियर.
हांगा सर MB आसा द मेजरींग बुक जो आसता तो डेली मेंटेन करूंक पडटा. तो डेली मेंटेन करता वा करना आनी मेंटेन करता जाल्यार कॉपीक तांकां दिता वा दिना तें विचारूंक सोदता तुका. तुजे सायटीर इंजिनियर
सर आतां हांवें पयलींच सांगलां की पयलीं जें कितें चलतालें तें आतां ना. आता, as per rules, CPWD manual says that every day whatever work is done, it should be recorded. And if it is not recorded on the measurement book, then it is the mistake of the engineer, junior engineer. Junior engineer has to record that and subsequently assistant engineer has to agree for it also.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I also have a question number 4 on the same subject. I mean, tagged with the same subject. I would also like to supplement.
सर आता तुम्ही म्हटल्यार सगळे सारखे आसा पण ते करता वा ना करता आताच्यान तुम्ही 15 मे आता करता वा ना करता. आता 15 मेच्यान 30 मेच्यान आता 5-6 महिने जाले. आता करता वा ना करता ते विचारता तुमकां.
स्पीकर सर आता तांणी करपाक जाय इतलेंच न्हय ते रजिस्टर दवरनाशिल्ले. असिस्टंट इंजिनियर
आता करता साहेब.
आता असिस्टंट इंजिनियरांनी हे रजिस्टर दवरता.
आता करता वा करना सांग.
MB रिकॉर्ड जाता की ना हे म्हाका पळोवचें पडटलें कारण
जायना ते मातशें तेजे सारकें करा.
नाही इतले गोष्टी प्रत्येक मंत्री वचून ते पळोवंक शकना. सम कंप्लेन्स कम देन ओन्ली मंत्री थंय वचून ती इन्क्वायरी करूं शकता.
तर हांव तुमी पळोवपाक जाय म्हूण सांगना. हांव म्हणटा तुमचे इंजिनियर डावन द लायन तांकां एस्टिमेट करपाक कळना. तांकां MB आनी कशें मेंटेन करतले तांकां ट्रेनिंग दिया. पूण फाटल्या सरकारान पयशांनी घेतलेले पळय ते इंजिनियरांक एस्टिमेट करूंक कळना. तुमचे एस्टिमेट वयर वयता सकयल येता वयर येता सकयल येता म्हणजे तांकां मातशें शिकया. हे म्हजे पॉयंट ऑफ ऑर्डर. एक दुसरें म्हणल्यार सर ही जी बिलां आसा पळय ही आतां कॉपी आसा येदी व्हडलो डाट आनीक आसा म्हज्या हातीन दवरपाक मेळना. म्हणजे ना पूण सर ते हांव कितें म्हणटा आतां कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कामां करता. आतां कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराची वर्क ऑर्डर घेतलेली आसा. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कामांच करना पण तेजें कितें सोल्युशन? पेमेंट एक इशू जालो आनी पेमेंट आतां कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर वर्क ऑर्डर घेता आनी तेंचे कामाच करना काम एक्झिक्युटिव्ह करना जाल्यार तेंचें कितें? इंजिनियर आतां तुमी इंजिनियराचें तुमी MB सांगलेले भशेन इंजिनियराचें काम MB रिकॉर्ड करपाक ते करना. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचें काम जेन्ना वर्क ऑर्डर घेता हो काम एक्झिक्यूट करता ती एक वर्सां 2-2 वर्सां लडयता. म्हणजे तांकां कांय टायम फ्रेम ना. तांकां वॉर्डिंग दिवचें ना काम करा म्हणून.
स्पीकर सर आय एग्री ऑन दीस. खंयची वर्क ऑर्डर दिले नंतर 15 दिसां भितर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हॅज टू एग्री फॉर दॅट. आफ्टर दॅट परफॉर्मन्स गॅरंटी म्हणून दिले नंतर ताका परत एक ऑर्डर दिली गेली वता. आणि एट ऑल त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान जर एका म्हयन्यांत काम जर चालू करूं ना जाल्यार इंजिनियर हॅज टू सेंड हिम अ नोटीस अँड डायरेक्टली कॅन टर्मिनेट द कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट एज पर CPWD मॅन्युअल.
आनी लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर विचारता. म्हाका सांग थोडे केसी सर विजिलन्सान गेल्ली आहा डिव्हिजन 25चे कामां केल्ली आसा. तेजे आतां कितें जाता थोडे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर अर्दी कोटी कामां करून दवरलेले आसा. ती केन्ना सोल्युशन पार्ट बिलां धाडलेली आसा ती केन्ना सोल्युशन मेळटलें साहेब?
स्पीकर सर बाप क्वेश्चन वेगळो आशिल्लो तुजो.
हांगा बरयल्लें आसा पेमेंट नॉट हेल्ड ड्यू टू विजिलन्स म्हणून बरयल्लें ताका लागून विचारता.
Speaker, sir, there are some cases under vigilance inquiry in Division 25, around 25 cases. From that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are from Division from Kutsadem constituency. Once the clearance has come from the Vigilance Department, definitely we will see that the payment is done.
Payment is one issue, sir. No, sir. Payment is one issue. Issue is the contract, that work which was supposed to be done by him is half complete. तें कोणे करपाचें? Vigilance Department वो तशें दवरपाची कामां ती. हांव विचारता तें विचारता.
Speaker sir, since inquiry is going through Vigilance Department, nothing can be done at this stage.
Mr. Speaker, sir, you have tagged my questions along with the same question. I have a question here to the Honorable PWD Minister. How many completed works are not paid in Sattari Taluka? And especially in my constituency, people, especially water supply and others, are concerned.
A lot of works. I got full
So
bench.
when will you pay these
No,
contractors? They have completed the work.
I will just give the
This is not
report
this
of
is not the-
2013,
you see,
2012.
suppose if I give
You will be understanding.
Honorable
Speaker, sir, it's very important. It's very important.
Let me complete.
It's a very important. Unless and until payment is done, no contractor will get it. But that is the mistake of the finance and PWD department at that time. One minute.
Because
Let
it
me
is the
complete.
government that is speaking.
Let
I
me
don't care
complete
whose
my
mistake
things,
it is.
Let me complete my things. It is a fact. I can't deny the facts. Because the works taken, suppose the budget approval is for 220 crores, we have taken up the works
Minister,
of
if
400
you
crores.
can't reply and if you can't do anything, please resign.
Speaker sir, त्यांना 250 कोटीची कामां सँक्शन करपाची त्या जाग्यार 500 कोटीची कामां जर गेली ही परिस्थिती अशीच उरतली. आतां आमी जाग्यार हाडलां तें. I brought it and I am proud to say under this we have asked finance to reschedule all the amounts and now 77 crores of rupees we have asked to the rural road. Rural roadaचे total budget 100 कोटीचे आशिल्ले. भायल्यान आमी कामां जी घेतल्या जवळजवळ 300 कोटी कशी पे करपाची ती?
एक मिनिट. स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान मिनिस्टराचें रेजिग्नेशन मागलें म्हूण हांव तांकां सांगूंक सोदतां की फाटल्या खेपा जो पळय मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो, आय एम गोईंग ऑन द रेकॉर्ड ऑफ द हावस, चर्चिल आलेमाव, ताणें जें धुमशेण घाला पळय PWDन, तें धुमशेण अजुनूय जाग्यार येवंक ना. हांव स्पश्ट सांगतां, तो घरा गेला आसत, पण प्रॉब्लेम करून दवरला पळय डिपार्टमेंटान, काबार करून दवरला डिपार्टमेंट. उदकाचें कांयच खबर ना कितें चल्लां तें. सो कितें आसता, ह्यो गजाली सांगपाक सोंप्यो आसता. फाल्यां पेपराचेरूय बातमी येतली, पर्रीकार एडमिट्स कॉलेप्स ऑफ PWD, पण ते जाग्यार घालपाक थोडो वेळ लागता. आतां म्हायती सांगता, इवन इंजिनियर घेतले पळय, तो हाणेंच लोकांक धाडले ते डुप्लिकेट पळय आमी धरला पळय हांगा बोगस सर्टिफिकेट दिता, ही इज टू डायरेक्ट इन टू देम फॉर गेटींग सर्टिफिकेट्स. सर्टिफिकेट बोगस घेवन PWDन भितर इंजिनियर घुसलेले आहा. वी आर व्हेरीफायींग देम नाव. कशा पद्दतीन करोड करून दवरला डिपार्टमेंट हें कळपाक सांगता. इट नीड्स, आय एग्री विथ यू that it needs tightening of screws. I think you should concentrate more on now division-wise tightening.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have heard the Chief Minister. So what the Honorable Minister for Public Works said, that I don't know what should I do, financeaची चूक आसा, हेची चूक आसा, तेची चूक आसा.
What I have done
This
also
is not the way to reply your questions, please.
See, what I have done also I have said.
No,
You
what
not
you have
heard
done,
that. See,
you must.
with due respect
No, I
to
am
you,
not going to discuss with him this. Mr.
with
Speaker,
due respect
I
to
want
you,
to know
we
whether
have,
this minister is working.
रुरल
Or what is he doing?
रोडाचेर,
because sir,
रुरल रोडाचेर अर्बन कामां केल्या, तो सारकी स्पश्ट सांगिना. मडगांव बिडगांवची कामां केल्या पळय ती सगळे रुरल हाजेर केल्ली आसा.
Because, sir,
थंय पयशेच ना.
I have
पे
moved
कशे
for a
करपाचे?
reappropriation of funds for this particular road works. And that is only 77 crores in this budget. Now let us come to the payment. Let us come to the payment. As far as payment is concerned, the bills submitted in the division office under plan is 109 crores, which is pending, which we are clearing. Daily 3 crores, 4 crores we are clearing.
टोटली 593 कोटी रुपया PWD
minute.
दुसरो रिप्लाय दिल्लो आसा. 593 कोटी PWD
Speaker, sir.
केल्या पोन्न्या बिलांक.
Speaker sir, spillover works asa. Let me complete. Then
Now
you
you
ask
complete.
me. Spillover works ji asa. That comes to 115 crores. That will be completed by May. So 115 कोटी परत मे महिन्यात, this is only in plan as far as road is concerned. Now under non-plan, I am giving you another thing. Now under non-plan, bill submitted in division office is 60 crores 73 lakhs. And again, spillover for up to May is 44.77, again 105 crores. Our budget provision is just 200. And now comes to another thing. Additional new works on plan जे आसा ती 43 कोटीची आसा. आता आमी सँक्शन केल्या ती. प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमी प्रत्येकाक अमके हें दिवपाक जाय अशें केलां आनी आमी वी हॅव स्टार्टेड नाव गिविंग ऑल्सो दॅट. कन्सिडरींग फर्दर फॉर 2013 to 2014 आनी हे सगळे जर जाग्यार येतले जाल्यार आनी 3 म्हयने कमीत कमी जाय. जेन्ना मे म्हयनो येतलो तेन्ना हे सगळं पेमेंट जातलो.
मी सांगतात मे महिन्यात तुम्ही फारीक करतले सगळे.
Of course, I have cleared all except now there are only 3 divisions remain. One is 6.
What about water supply?
Water supply we have paid. Water supply it is going on. Every month I am clearing 3 crores for division 17.
I'm going to go and give you the...
Yeah, you give me. If anything is pending, I will see that it will be paid. I know there are 4 projects going in.
Go on record.
No, I know that 4 works are going on in Parya and Vapai, which are very important. It is a new project's work. That is almost a 4 crores project. And the bill was pending for almost say about 3 to 4 months of that.
What should the small man do? Who is going to pay the banks, the interest and everything?
Churchill.
No, you can't pass that on. You are having the government. Please see that things are done.
Shri Vishwajit Rane.
My question also is clubbed with this 3C. I would like to know from my colleague and friend, Mr. Sudhin Dawekar, is from the PWD Minister, is as on 1st March, from the date of him taking over as PWD Minister, what is the total outstanding in terms of the payments to be made for water supply, for buildings and road? I think 3 supplementaries to me, this is my first supplementary. As the day you took over,
400 crores
No, day you took over, I just want 3 figures. Water supply projects, how much was spending? The day you took over. The day you took over on buildings, how much was spending? The day you took over on roads, how much was spending?
Because total payment is done for the
total. Give me the breakup. I don't want your comprehensive.
Breakup here, but it is 591 crores.
591 breakup I want. This is my first supplementary.
If you want, I can submit tomorrow. If you want that, I can submit
fine.
Tomorrow.
You don't have the breakup.
I don't have breakup of each and everything.
No, 590 crores.
Next.
Second supplementary is there are 4 important projects of water supply. No, yes, second. One is Keri Dharnakare, आमचो water treatment plant, Guleli, Khotade, Nagargaon, and Savarde Panchayat, all in Sattari. Pending for last 1 year because of non-payment. When will the payments to these contractors be made, and when will these 4 water treatment plants be commissioned?
Speaker sir, आताच हांवें सांगलां, ते 4 water supply plants चालू आसा 70 तालुक्यात. And I will see that in next 3 months, all the payment is done, because it's very important. We have to supply 24 hours. We have given assurance to the public that we will give 24 hours water supply, 365 days.
Honorable Speaker, sir, one last supplementary. Since you have said third, last supplementary. Honorable Chief Minister is on record making a statement that the previous PWD Minister has made a blunder. How many officers in the PWD department and the finance department have been suspended till date for sanctioning and signing such orders? And will you give me a commitment on the floor of the House before the end of this session such officers, including the Chief Engineer, will be suspended? Otherwise, there is no point in blaming the officers. No action has been taken till now for issuing such orders. The officer concerned is aware what is the budget. Secretary PWD is aware. Sack that Secretary PWD and send him back to Delhi. Why the action is not being taken of the Chief Engineer? Why executive engineers? Every department where this, CM Sahib, I'm just making a request. Mantri has done and he has gone. There's no Mantri here. But how kidak manta?
तू प्रश्न विचारता तो माझ्या डिपार्टमेंटा विचारता.
Na.
PWD रे.
Now PWD
powers.
Department.
Wait. Now both. I have to ask you first. I'm only asking you a very categorical question. Will the government? One is a political angle. One is administrative.